everyone, this is Esme from LifeStraw, and I'm really excited to introduce the new LifeStraw Home Studio water filter dispenser. The LifeStraw Home Studio is a fun, compact water filter dispenser designed to look cute in small spaces and filter out all the tap water nasties. Made with durable, BPA-free materials and available in a variety of vibrant colors. This product utilizes advanced two-stage filtration. The filter system removes bacteria and contaminants like microplastics, PFAS, lead, and mercury, all while drastically improving the taste of your tap water. The product comes with your first 2 filters included, and all LifeStraw home replacement filters are compatible with this product. Now let's get into the unboxing. For every product sold, a child receives safe water for a year. Inside the box, you'll find that the carbon filter has not yet been installed, as well as product setup instructions on the front of this card and care and maintenance instructions on the back. We recommend you hold on to this for future use. You'll also find a user manual if you have any other questions about your LifeStraw Home Studio. All of the plastic components in the packaging are recyclable, so make sure to dispose of them properly. Now I'm going to walk you through the various parts of your LifeStraw Home Studio. First, we have the dispenser lid. Then we have the container body and filter housing. To remove the filter housing from the container body, you're going to want to put your hands around the container and use your 2 thumbs to lift up. This is the filter housing. There's also a bottom cap on the filter housing that you can just twist off. As you can see, the membrane microfilter has been pre-installed. Then we have the dispenser body and the tap. Now that your product is disassembled, you're going to want to grab your carbon filter. We're going to start off by unwrapping the carbon filter. Carbon filters absorb toxins from the environment, so you want to make sure to keep it sealed until it's ready for use. Now we're going to rinse your carbon filter underwater for 1 minute to rinse off any dust or debris. Now we're going to rinse off your dispenser body. You can grab a dish soap and sponge for this. Now that you've rinsed off your dispenser body, you can place it on a dish towel so it can dry off. You should also rinse off your filter housing as part of setup and regular care. You can do so by twisting the bottom cap off. First, make sure to remove the membrane microfilter that's been pre-installed because any soap will clog this filter. Then you're just going to do the same as we did with the dispenser body. Grab your dish soap. Now that your products are rinsed off, you're going to want to dry them. Now that everything is dried off, it's time to install your filters. First, grab your membrane microfilter and pop it back into place. Then grab your carbon filter and place it right here. Then just twist the bottom cap back on. Grab your dispenser body and place the filter housing inside. You're going to want to run 1 batch of water through this and then discard this water. The filtration rate may be slow at first as air becomes displaced from the filter, but it will improve over time. In general, the filtration rate is at a speed that allows the filter sufficient time to remove contaminants from your water. You should be skeptical of super fast filtration rates. Now that your product is ready to be used, we recommend weekly cleaning of the dispenser body and filter housing. For deeper cleaning instructions of your home studio dispenser, please watch our video, Deep Cleaning. If you are not going to use your filter for more than 2 weeks, we recommend separate instructions for long-term storage. For more information on our products, check out our support pages on our website, which has FAQs, helpful resources, and more how-to videos. You can also email us at info@lifestraw.com if you have any questions or need help.